Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if this is your first time tuning in on this channel, go ahead and watch every other videos that I have made. And if you like it, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead, comment, thumbs up, share this video, and let everybody know about your girl. Happy Dimples 39. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today I am going to stain my chairs. If you watched the last video, you will see how I worked on my table. This table is stained in a darker color called ebony. So if you go ahead and watch the last video, and you will see how I started off with the table. And y'all, please excuse me for not adding music as I did the staining. That's something I left out. I'm sorry that you had to watch the video without any music. Sorry about that. Here's the chair. What I did, I wiped it down. This is the color of the chair. And I am going to stain it in this black cherry. Stain and poly. Okay, this is before, and I am going to do one chair in the videos, and when I finish I will show you all the end results, the table and all. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I've done one chair, and as it dries, the darker it gets. Okay, it's gonna look like the base of this table. So this is one chair, and I am going to do the rest off camera, and stay tuned for the final results. Hello everybody, I am back. This is the final result of my table. I've stained my chairs, and I may go back over it, you know, with the third coat. This is supposed to be second coat of it. Like I said, the chair was oak, like in an oak finish, but this is a black cherry. So I think this is the darker, well, the darker it's going to get. I don't know, but I think I'm going to stain it again. But I just wanted to show you guys the final result of my kitchen table. I am very well pleased, and next I will be doing my hutch as well. I will stain it, and I may stain the top in black as well, ebony. I may do this part as well in ebony, so we'll see. I'm not sure yet, but we will see. And I will be doing a tablescape as soon as I get done making over my furniture. I don't know what tablescape that I will be using, but I will think of something. And y'all, I have no curtains yet because as I was painting, I went on and took the old curtains down. So, and I will be replacing new ones. I will be getting new appliances pretty soon. This is it, you guys. This is it. Just showing y'all closer look. Closer look. Yeah, like I said, if before you throw away or give away your old furnishing, see if you can revamp it. Just go ahead and revamp it and do a furniture makeover before you decide to give away. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. You never know what I may have coming up next. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.